In this video we are turning Lego, McDonald's and a tablet into a Lego McDonald's vending machine where you can order through a touchscreen. Spoiler alert, I already built it, so I'm just going to test it for you. But if we're going to test this McDonald's vending machine, we are really going to need something to dispense. After seeing all that food, I can't wait to order something. So let's order something.
Welcome to the Creative Mindstorms vending machine. Press the screen again to start. Make your selection. Fries selected. Selection confirmed. Please insert one €2 coin.
The machine only accepts €2 coins. All the other coins are rejected.
Your order is being dispensed. Thank you for using Creative Mindstorms' vending machine.
The fries are dispensed by this pushing mechanism. It looks very wobbly, but trust me, it is very reliable. The sauce is dispensed by pushing each tub over the ledge.
Cheeseburger selected. Selection confirmed. Please insert one €2 coin. Your order is being dispensed. Thank you for using Creative Mindstorms' vending machine.
Although the cheeseburger doesn't come out far, it's only available when you pay for it.
Coca Cola selected. Selection confirmed. Please insert one €2 coin.
Whenever you pay for your drink, it reminds you to place a cup in the right spot before you dispense the Coca Cola.
Your order is being dispensed. Thank you for using Creative Mindstorms' vending machine.
This mechanism is actually something I haven't seen before in the Lego vending machine. It works by using the height of the Coca Cola storage to dispense your drink. Since fluids always flow down, as soon as the Coca Cola storage rises, the Coca Cola flows into the cup. After this, a lid is dispensed right on top of the cup. Now you can go ahead and enjoy your meal. Whoa, wait. I can't enjoy my meal just yet, and so do you. Mainly because you don't have this meal, but who cares? I don't feel too confident about telling you this machine actually works when all I'm showing you is a got a video from all sorts of angles. So to quickly prove to you that this machine does actually work, let me show you a really short uncut video of the machine.
Welcome to the Creative Mindstorms vending machine. Press the screen again to start. Make your selection. Fries selected. Coca Cola selected. Cheeseburger selected. Selection confirmed. Please insert 3 €2 coins. Your order is being dispensed. Thank you for using Creative Mindstorms' vending machine.
Now that I've proved to you that it does actually work, I'm going to enjoy my meal. In the meantime, you could enjoy this video or buy the self-driving car that I made. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.